Welcome to Physics 183, Section 3. Let me start off by apologizing that I'm not here in person. My name is Dean Lee. If you want to see what I look like, hello. At the time of this lecture, I will be in Poland for a research workshop, and Dr. Andrew Kohler will be giving the first two lectures. Let me just go over some of the basic information of the course. So I said my name is Dean Lee. If you want to reach me, the easiest way to do that is by email, leed@nscl.msu.edu. You can also replace the NSCL by FRIB. That stands for the Facility for Rare Isotope Beams. The laboratory is converting from NSCL to FRIB, and that's why these are actually equivalent email addresses. My office is in 2122 NSCL. Unfortunately, the doors are locked most of the time, and so if you need to get in, give me a call on my office phone, 517-908-7282, or just buzz me from the front desk. But you don't have to come to my building. In fact, I don't really expect people to go through the hassle of getting through those doors. I'll have office hours after each class, directly after each class, until 4:30 p.m. So our classes are from 3 to 3:50 p.m., as you know, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So right after class, just follow me, and we will walk to the help room, which is in the BPS room 1248, and I'll be there until 4:30 on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. If you would like to see the details of this information on the web page is d2l.msu.edu. In fact, that's probably the first place you should look. So let me show you what this looks like. Okay, that's the D2L web page. You see there's a syllabus here, and grades, reading assignments, homework, e-text, some information about the help room schedule, how to register your clicker, lecture material. So if you go to this lecture material, you press on that, you can actually see the lecture notes for today's lecture. I would like to just point out that the first homework assignment is due Sunday, September 2nd, 1 minute before midnight. To get to this homework, you follow the link on the course webpage, which I just showed you, the D2L webpage, and you will see the homework webpage that is called Mastering Physics. And from there, you can see that the first assignment will be in two parts. There will be one part that's an introduction to inputting answers into Mastering Physics. So just exercises on how to use Mastering Physics. And then there will be the first physics homework, which will be on units and unit conversion. And as I said, those are due Sunday, September 2nd, 11:59 p.m. There's also a pre-class homework that's due before the Tuesday lecture of next week. And it's on the topic of position, velocity, and acceleration. And that's due 1 minute before noon on September 4th. I know it's just the first day of class, and we're already talking about homework. I apologize about that, but I guess it's good to know about the schedule. As I mentioned, the first two lectures will be given by Dr. Andrew Kohler. And the reason for that is that I'm giving a talk at a workshop in Poland. But I'll be back Tuesday, September 4th. I'll give the Tuesday lecture. And I should be reachable by email the whole time. Next thing I want to mention is the textbook. So the textbook is this book, Physics for Scientists and Engineers by Randall Knight. And we are actually using the second custom edition for Michigan State University. And you can see details about the book actually on the D2L website. The next thing I wanted to mention is when I'm not teaching this class, I'm doing research on theoretical nuclear physics. And my work involves simulations of quantum systems, protons and neutrons, and exotic things that they do, forming nuclei, forming superfluid gases, pairing, things like that. And throughout the course, I'll try to incorporate some of these things that I study into the lecture when appropriate. But most of the time, I will actually try to make connections to the things that you are interested in, and I'll try to learn more about the various disciplines that people are studying on Tuesday when I come back.